Hello, I'm just holding open house here at Maria Manor, so let me introduce you to unit number A5. Just in case you missed the open house, let me show you around a little bit. Now this is a 55 and older community, and it's kind of cool because you've got the entry door and then inside you've got access to 4 units. Well, this is going to be A5 here on the left, which is hopefully going to be your unit. So it's presently vacant, no furniture. There's the view out the front of the parking lot, and your parking spot is right in front. This is the living area, dining area, and let me show you the kitchen. It's all been nicely updated, black granite, white cabinets, and soft close, new stainless steel appliances, nice farmer's sink with a disposal, nice faucet there. And let's see, there's the refrigerator. You've got a closet pantry plus a cabinet pantry here. I'm gonna just go back around to the back. You've got a extra little sitting area here, and you can kind of see the view out the window. You've got a lawn view, and then out there is the pool. So this unit has a rather nice view. You've got inside laundry, a stack washer dryer, and a laundry tub. All tile in the living area, and the bedrooms have a vinyl plank flooring that is resistant to moisture. So here's the master bedroom with its own bath and a nice corner shower. Let me see if I can make that a little smaller to show you the whole thing. Okay, and cabinet, you know, with the sink and the toilet. And you've got a hallway with the air handler and the hot water heater in it. And then the second bath has a nice large shower, glass enclosed shower, and sink cabinet, you know, everything you need there. And then the back bedroom, which has a walk-in closet. So new fixture, new ceiling fans, new blinds, new paint. Everything's been updated here. This is Maria Manor in Port Charlotte, Florida, unit number A5. And as a bonus, there is a carport available. It is at a separate price, so give me a call, ask me a question, and let's see if we can put it together. This is Mary Ann Lilly at Remax Harbor Realty, 941-764-7585. Call or text. Thanks. Have a great day.